Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today, another simple, delicious cook. We are going to keep it super easy today. We are doing bacon in the Power XL 10 quart vortex 1700 watt. I'm going to get the trays out. We're going to stuff it with as much bacon that will, all the bacon I have in my fridge, and see how much we can cook and how it comes out. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. Alright guys, so we're going to cook some bacon. So what I got here is some thick cut farmland. We got this, and then we got same over here. This is like half gone. And this is all the bacon that I had in my fridge. Don't be disappointed, but you know, I love bacon. I usually have more, but anyway. We're going to go ahead and take the bacon out here. And we're going to bring the air fryer trays. Set this aside here. So this thing comes actually with four air fryer trays. I got 3. I don't know if I have enough. I guess we'll do 2 at a time. If I have enough to fill all 4 of these things, but let's go ahead and see what we can fit onto these racks. So I'm going to go ahead and get them all on here and see, you know, how I can fit them. You know, and fit them on there any way that you can get them on there. I mean, any way. Alright, so this is all the bacon I have. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I had to kind of trim this one down here and set it off to the side. Anyway, 14 thick cut. Actually, there's one more tray. I just don't have enough bacon to fill it. So we're going to do 3 trays. Stuff this thing full of bacon and get to cooking. But what I want to do first is I got some pepper over here. Some cracked black pepper. I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit of pepper on these. I like some pepper on my bacon. So let me set this aside real quick over here. Get the rest of the bacon. Get it peppered up. And if you want, you can just, you can pre-do this if you want, both sides or whatnot. Not a big deal. I just want to see how much this air fryer can cook. So got the bacon all peppered up, ready to go. Let's go ahead and go to the air fryer and see how to get these things done. Alright guys, so we are at the air fryer. Power XL, the Vortex, 1700 watt, 10 quart, whatever. Whole bunch of stuff to say. So, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and open this bad boy up. We got all of our bacon here. Like I said, this comes with 4 racks. So we're going to go the very bottom rack, put that in. Get in there bacon, get on that tray. And then we've got our other racks here that we are going to put on. So rack number 2 right above that. Oh yeah. And rack number 3 right above that. I wish I had some more bacon. There's one more tray right here that you could fit on top, but this will have to be enough bacon for today. So, alright, let's go ahead and make sure that's all in there. Alright, that's it. So let's go ahead and close this thing up. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn it on, pump this thing up to 400. Now, I'm thinking about 10 minutes. So we'll set it for 10. We'll press start, and we'll see you then. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's check. I know they're not all done, but let's see what we are going to do. Open this thing up. Whew, so much steam and bacon. Now what I figured is, there, the top is looking great. The metal's looking a little undone. You can see there. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to rotate these real quick. Just like this. I'm going to pull this one out and put it on the bottom. And actually put this one on top. Oh yeah, let that cook nice and fast. And the one that we had on the top, we'll just stick that right on the bottom. Oop, get in there, bacon. There we go. All right, so now we're good to go. We're gonna pump this thing on again, back up to 400. 10 more minutes, and we should be good to go. We'll see you then. All right, guys, last thing, we've got 5 minutes left. We're gonna open this thing up, and we're gonna give it one last rotation, because the element's on the top, but that is looking absolutely amazing. Perfect. Set that aside. I'm gonna go ahead and rotate this one up top real quick. Get up there, bacon. Oh, the ones on the bottom are looking absolutely phenomenal. And this last rack, which this one's looking phenomenal as well. Get it right in there. We got 5 minutes and we are finished. See you in 5 minutes. We'll be eating some bacon. All right, guys, we're back. We got a little less than a minute left, and I was looking in the inside here, and you can see, and they look golden crispy to me, for sure. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, this is some awesome bacon. Well, we're gonna get a close up. I'm gonna take these over to the cutting board. So we got that rack. Ooh yeah, this rack. Oh, I'll show you how they turned out. Yeah, I'm gonna take them over to the cutting board, and we'll eat some bacon. See you in a minute. All right, guys. As you can see, nothing on the chopping board. I got the air fryer literally right next to me. We're gonna pull these out one at a time. First rack. I would say absolutely. Now, hey, actually, I got a question. Leave a comment below. Which one of these look better to you? Let's say number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4. I'm personally going with number 3 myself. Yeah, for sure. But let's go ahead. Let me get my number 3 over there. Now let's pull out the next rack and take a look and see what's going on. Next rack. Oh yeah, those almost look caramelized. Got a bite. Oh yeah, those are delicious. Let's get them all over here. And the last rack. Oh, can't read a little bit right there. All right, last rack. These are all, they're crispy and still kind of soft, and they're just good. They are just absolutely good. Well, that's all there is to it. Yeah, that's what it is, guys. A whole bunch of bacon. So we did 15 thick cut pieces of bacon in about 20 minutes. Cleanup is a super breeze. You just wipe the inside of the machine out. Not a problem at all. It takes literally a few seconds. We will bring it back up top. This bacon might be gone by the time we get there, but we will see you in a minute. All right, we are finished with the cook, and I have nothing more to say except bacon. Yes, and we got some of those nice flakes on there. The black pepper and stuff, and it turned out amazing. So I mean, we did a whole pack and a half, pretty much, of bacon, about 20 minutes. I'm loving the air fryer. It's turning out to be a really good one. I know that their products, the TriStar products on the air fryer side, is really good. Everything that I've had from the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite to the Pro, now the Power XL Vortex 10 quart 1700 watt, they've all been super legit and good. And you know, so far I would definitely recommend it. I got some more cooks, and I'm going to do a complete review here shortly. But anyway, if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to leave an awesome comment and give it a thumbs up. And with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.